Do you know the incredible benefits of broccoli? According to renowned nutrition scientist Professor Harold Whitmore, author of the best-selling book The Green Cure, How Vegetables Heal the Human Body, broccoli is one of the most powerful natural medicines on Earth. In his decades of research, Professor Whitmore explains that broccoli contains unique compounds like sulforaphane, vitamin K, folate, and powerful antioxidants that protect the brain, strengthen memory, reduce inflammation, and help the body fight chronic disease. When broccoli is digested, its nutrients move through the stomach and intestines into the bloodstream, where they support immune defenses, improve heart health, protect DNA from damage, and even help the body reduce cancer risk. Whitmore describes broccoli as a cellular shield, helping to detoxify the liver, balance gut bacteria, and keep energy levels stable throughout the day. In his book, he shows how regular broccoli consumption supports digestion, protects the gut lining, and enhances metabolic health, making it one of the most effective vegetables for long-term wellness and disease prevention. This is why broccoli is not just food. It is functional medicine that works at a cellular level. To get the maximum health benefits from broccoli, avoid overcooking it. The best method is light steaming. First, wash the broccoli thoroughly and cut it into small florets. Place them in a steamer over boiling water and steam for 3 to 5 minutes until the broccoli turns bright green and is just tender, but still slightly crisp. This method helps preserve sulforaphane, vitamin C, and antioxidants that are easily destroyed by boiling. After steaming, drizzle a small amount of extra virgin olive oil over the broccoli and add a pinch of sea salt, black pepper, and fresh lemon juice. You can also add a little garlic for extra flavor and health benefits. Avoid deep frying or boiling for long periods, as this washes away many of the nutrients. Eating broccoli this way supports your brain, gut, heart, and immune system while keeping it delicious and easy to digest. Warning: this is general information, not medical advice. While broccoli is extremely healthy, there are a few situations where it may cause mild issues or require caution. Gas and bloating. Broccoli contains complex sugars and fiber, including raffinose, which can be difficult for some people to digest. In sensitive individuals, this can lead to gas, bloating, or abdominal discomfort, especially if eaten in large quantities or raw. Steaming lightly can help reduce these effects. Thyroid interference goitrogens. Broccoli is part of the cruciferous vegetable family and contains goitrogens, compounds that may interfere with iodine uptake in the thyroid. For people with thyroid disorders, eating very large amounts of raw broccoli could affect thyroid hormone production. Cooking broccoli lightly reduces goitrogenic activity. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some individuals may experience allergic reactions to broccoli, including skin rashes, itching, or swelling of the lips and throat. Those with known cruciferous vegetable allergies should avoid it. Blood thinning effects. Broccoli is rich in vitamin K, which is important for blood clotting. People taking blood-thinning medications, like warfarin, should monitor their broccoli intake to maintain consistent vitamin K levels, as sudden large changes can affect medication effectiveness. Digestive sensitivity in IBS or FODMAP diets. Due to its high fiber content and fermentable carbohydrates, broccoli may trigger symptoms in people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or those following a low FODMAP diet. Portion control and light cooking are key.